Hi everyone, how's it going? Today I want to talk about YouTube Cash Cow channel AI full automation. I already made a video how you can basically fully automate a video creation thanks to AI. You can use ChatGPT for script writing, you can use Pictory.ai for creating a video automatically, and you can also use any other AI audio website for creating basically voiceovers or everything related to audio. YouTube videos where YouTubers show you how you can make $10,000 or euros each day or each month basically making these videos, but they never really show you the full process or the full journey. They only show you maybe if they actually make a video like that and they get lucky and they make a lot of money out of it. But they never really show you a process behind it, how difficult it is and how long it takes. So I was thinking maybe what we can do about it. And as you know, I have this Roman Hrdlovic channel, but I also have another one which is called Blue24 Finance. On this channel I was creating many videos related to stock trading, what I actually also do, and I was also creating some other videos from vacation holidays and so on, but it never really got very popular. As you can see, this channel already has around 200 subscribers. I made roughly around 30 videos. Channel already has around 16 or almost 17,000 views, but it's definitely not monetized. So starting from 16th of January 2023, I will actually be creating videos for this channel. I will start creating videos related to financial topics, so for example, stock trading, day trading, theory of volatility, or basically what volatility is, and so on. So as of today, the channel is getting roughly almost 1,000 views per month, which equals to around 30 hours of watch time, which is definitely not a lot. As you know, it's not monetized for sure, and it will be a very long journey till it gets monetized, but I will try my best. I'll start creating videos with all the AI tools. So I'll be using Pictory. Pictory.ai is a website where you can create fully AI automated videos. You can create, I believe, also thumbnails, voiceovers, audio. Basically, it will also convert your text to a video. It's really simple to use. I have already tried it in my other video, so make sure to maybe check it out. Other part of the whole topic will be about ChatGPT, which we will use for generating scripts about the topics for YouTube videos. And the last step of video processing will be done on Canva, well, where I will be creating YouTube thumbnails or maybe some outro, ending scenes, and so on. As I am not using a paid version of Pictory.ai, I'll be also using Shotcut for video editing, deleting maybe some parts which I don't want, or maybe hiding watermark. So let's get to it. It's definitely gonna be a long journey. I don't know how I will process, but feel free to start watching my videos. I'll be creating these short episodes and showing you what I learned basically, or if I produce some new videos. The goal would be to produce around 2 YouTube videos per week, and let's say if we can maybe get monetized in financial video topics in 2023. So as you know, the channel is about financial videos, so I think the first video that I will make today will be about volatility. So as you can see, I already made a few videos on volatility trading. So what it is, if basically the stock market is very rough and people don't know what the future holds, the volatility usually goes higher. So we will just create a very basic video and test out all of the websites if we can create such a video in, let's say, maybe 10 minutes or so. So first we will go to ChatGPT, which I will use for generating YouTube script. So the goal is also to make maybe like a 5-minute video, because I'm not sure if the free version of Pictory.ai supports even longer videos, but let's try it out. I have already created my account, and you can also use my affiliate link for Pictory.ai in the description. So first, let's generate a basic video script about volatility for YouTube, but let's make it longer. Let's maybe do like not 60 seconds, but 4 minutes, which will be 240 seconds. Yes, this equals 4 minutes, hopefully. So let's start generating the script. It should be pretty fast. Hopefully it also works because ChatGPT sometimes, let's say, gets stuck and it doesn't go as planned and doesn't work very well. It'll definitely take some time because even though it's really fast, it's not instant. I think the script has been generated. I'm not exactly sure if it will be 4 minutes, but it looks like it. So the script seems to have been generated. It doesn't look very long. I thought it's gonna be a little longer, but what can we do? So it looks pretty good. So I'll just copy it. Then now the next step is to, let's say, create an outline or basically create a video without a voiceover. It should be created with some audio. Also, Pictory.ai should be creating basically royalty-free music, royalty-free videos. The only bad thing is that as we are using the free version, it will, if we will want to export the video, it will have a thumbnail, so it's not gonna be very good, but let's see. So let's log in. Now we can basically go to this part, so script the video, proceed, and let's copy everything, and everything should be done automatically. So I have not even read the text, but I believe it will be processed very easily and very fast. So let's proceed. Over here we have to choose a basic template, so maybe choose the one that we like. I don't know which one, maybe like this one. It's very simple. Choose an aspect ratio 16:9, so just choose the standard version. It will take a few maybe minutes, but it should be very fast. You can see that the video has been fully generated and we have around 26 screens. So now basically we can maybe just the next step would be to create the voiceover, but this would be basically it. It's very simple and very fast and very easy. So basically we can either record our voiceover, but it's not really what I want to do. The good news on the other hand is that you can also do voiceover on Pictory.ai. So basically I just went back to the same video where you have visuals, you have basically everything. So just go to audio. I just chose voiceover, applied Austin, which sounds pretty good. We also have a background music. I'll maybe make it a little less loud, but it should be okay, maybe like 8%. And now we can just preview, and it sounds pretty good. So I think after this we can maybe just play a little bit with the visuals. Let's add maybe some logo, and that's basically it.
It can be used to gauge the level of risk associated.
So it sounds okay. It's not perfect, but it's okay. Maybe I'll just keep the audio around 10%. I think it was better. Text, you can change the text. I don't want to do it. I'll just maybe change this. So we should just make this, maybe we can make it like a blue color or something, because my channel is always blue. It was pretty good blue color. Blue, that looks pretty good. We can maybe change the logo. So we basically just deleted the logo, but it's okay. And now we can just fully export the video, and that's basically it. Generate video. It will probably take a while, then we can download it and we can just upload it to my channel, Blue24 Finance. But after it's exported, let's just check if it has a watermark. If there's a watermark, maybe we can do something about it in Shortcut, or there will probably be some Pictory.ai generated text, so we will just delete it in Shortcut and re-export the video, maybe play a little bit with the audio so it sounds better, and we are done. The video has finally been generated. It took quite a while, to be honest, maybe like 10 minutes, so now let's hope we can download it. So let's download it. Now let's check if there are any watermarks or basically what's going on. So you can see there's a few watermarks here. So video made by Pictory.ai, so we probably don't want this, doesn't look good. And most likely also at the end there will be, oh you see, so this screen, we don't like this screen. So let's just play with it in Shortcut a bit and I'll try to blur this part out. It's not gonna look amazing, but it's gonna be something for sure. So basically what I have done, just zoomed in the video and now just let's export, hope it works. So what we can do now, we can basically more or less upload the video, but first I'll create a YouTube thumbnail. So maybe we should do something very simple and catchy. So I'll already use my template. I'll just make a copy. I'll just name it volatility. So let's open it and maybe create, let's say, so we have created a volatility video with ChatGPT and OpenAI and Pictory.ai. So that's what we are gonna do basically. So the video is about volatility, so maybe we should ask ChatGPT to create a thumbnail text for us for YouTube. Mastering volatility. We can maybe do these strategies. I'm already using this template, so I have asked ChatGPT to create basically a text for the video. It's pretty good, but I think it's pretty low. Mastering, so it says mastering volatility strategies for managing risk in the stock market. Maybe we can try to use this without maybe my picture. This is what we're gonna use for the video, so I'll just download it. It's not perfect, but that's all it is. So the video should be exported very soon. So we have basically a thumbnail. Now we can ask ChatGPT for create a YouTube title based on everything above. Title for the video. So okay, this is a pretty good one, and also create a YouTube video description. Create a YouTube video description. So this should be basically all we need, and now we can just copy it once the video is exported. So the video has been exported now, so we can go and upload it. So let's go, video upload. Now we can choose basically the video, so it's over here. We have a video description, we have a thumbnail, so we should be all good to go. So basically this will be the name of the video as suggested by ChatGPT. We also have a good video description. I have not even read the text, so you can see it can be basically fully automated. And you don't need to worry about anything. We are not really using royalty-free music. I mean, we are, but I don't know the name of it, so I will just ignore it. We have around 225 subscribers. We'll use this as a thumbnail. And what is it? Swing trading. I will not choose it, so no, thank you. I will not even choose like any tags or anything. Um, we can just upload this from the last video. This should be more or less okay. Maybe we don't need to cover up the text, so we can just like move it.
not just stocks, so it's important.
This looks pretty good, so we can save it. We can add some cards into it, maybe around about like volatility. This is a pretty good one where I compare last year with the financial crisis volatility. Maybe we can use this one as everything is about volatility, and that's basically it. Maybe we can add a natural gas video, save it, and once it's uploaded, it's all done. So this was the first video I have done, as you can see. Okay, so it's all done, so now we can actually publish it. So this was really fast. So this was the first series, the first video I have done like this. I will continue creating these videos as much as I can. So the goal would be at least, let's say like twice a week or maybe even more. And hopefully at some point we can get monetized. I really hope we can maybe make some money like this, but it will take a really long time till we get monetized. So please bear with me, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.